Not happy.
Huh?
He's not happy.
Okay, let me sit. Here. Sit properly. Now. Okay, look up. So, hi. Yes. Next video is on. And this time it's bingo. Hi, everybody. I come with my fourth cat.
Fell.
Yeah, I know. Wicked. So, this is now bingo. Orange cat, or what do you call it? Ginger. Okay, and you all must have heard about ginger cats. So he's no better than any of them. He's very naughty, but at the same time he's so scared of people. If anyone comes and rings a bell, he will just run under the table, under the sofa, or under the bed. Now, let me tell you how he came to me.
Huh. Yes, how did you get bingo, ma?
So, exactly October 22nd, 2019, I had this, my doorbell ring, and I opened and I heard a lot of chatter and, conversations going on. And then when I opened, they were all little children of the building, all the kids holding him like this. And they have come up and they say, Auntie, we found a kitten down. Can you take him in? So I said, why don't you take it to your homes? And asked, no, our parents will not allow. My mother will not allow. She will not allow him inside. So I said, so if they're not allowing, if some the parents don't allow, so all of them end up in my house. So, but then he was so tiny, he was so, he was mewing away and he was hungry, he was dirty. So I decided to take him in.
Okay.
So
then he became your which cat?
That time he was the fifth cat. No, fifth cat, because I had Benji, I had Beethoven, I had Bella, I had Betty, and then he was the fifth cat. So there's not a big story attached to him, but the most interesting thing is that he got so attached to me, like Mary had a little lamb kind. And even he sleeps only near me. He has to touch me while sleeping. So whether it's on my head or on my side, beside me, or on top of me, he only sleeps that way. And then, interestingly, when I go to the bathroom to have a bath, he's sitting out and mewing away as though I'm dead inside. God. Yeah. So he's my chela. He follows me everywhere like Mary's little lamb.
Yeah, and that's why he gets preferential treatment, no?
No, he doesn't get any, but he demands.
He has got one full creamy treat right
now. But the
now.
problem is that he comes and demands it. Na? The others, okay, if I call them, they will come to this one. The moment I pick up a treat, he's there on the table. Though today I had a tough time bringing him because he knew that he was going to be filmed. So it is not really possible to get him onto the bed, onto the there.
Enough bingo, enough.
I remember the time when he had just come in a few days later. We just couldn't find him in the house. And we searched, and all of us were in tears. My daughters were also here. They came, in fact, they were at the clinic. Marundati was at the clinic, Vijay was at the clinic.
Yeah, I
Aditi
came running
was
back.
At a house in Ghodbanda. All of them came rushing because I was frantic. I kept calling them that bingo has disappeared. It was just a few weeks after he came.
He was very small, no, at that time.
He was so tiny. Okay, and then we searched all over the building. I mean, there was no way he could have got out, but still we thought maybe when somebody came in, he could have walked off. And everywhere we searched and we just couldn't find him. And then we had given up hope. 2-3 hours later, after the search party left, and then I was sitting all brooding and feeling very sad that I'd lost my little kitten. And then, do you know who came to my rescue? It was Beethoven.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've noticed that Beethoven, this is the second time he did it. So, I was sitting and crying, where's Bingo, Bingo? And suddenly Beethoven comes out from somewhere and he sat near the washing machine and he's looking below the washing machine and he's sitting. So then, quite some time he's sitting there without moving. So I went there and I banged on the washing machine and for some time I shook it and all that. And then suddenly this little fellow comes walking out yawning, as if he's just had why did you wake me up? It was 4 to 5 hours of giving us tension that he came down. And I was telling about Beethoven. So Beethoven, interestingly, whenever something is lost, whenever means twice this has happened, there was a small parrot we had rescued, and he was given a free space to fly about. There was only a sofa. There were 2 sofas here, and there were no places where he could possibly hide. So we went on and on searching for it because we thought it flew away or it had got lost, and the wing was broken. So we wondered how it could fly away. Then again we were wondering what is happening. We were not so attached to it because we just had got it a couple of days ago. But for being, for doctor's intervention. And then suddenly I saw Beethoven come and he went under the sofa and he's sitting there. So then we pulled the sofa aside, and then under the sofa this parrot was there. So I don't know what Beethoven is, like our guardian angel of these animals that are around here. But where is he now? Beethoven! I can't see him. So you can see all of them here because of the treat that I gave Bingo. So they're all sitting hoping that I'll give them a treat. But my daughter vet Arundhati Nair refuses and says that I shouldn't be giving them any treats. So only for
Not
the video,
any treats. You shouldn't give them
once
very
in a
often.
blue moon. So now, hi. High five. High five.
He does or what?
I don't know, he may bite me.
What rubbish.
High five. Okay, go. Now I'll have some. Okay. So that's our little Bingo for you all. He's 6 years old, mind you. He's not a small little kitten anymore. But he thinks he's a baby. So he behaves like a baby. Give me. So that's what you get in return. Bye. One more remaining, that is Bubbly the Great, which is an impossible task, but I will try.
Okay. All right. Bye, Mom.
Okay, I'm getting Bubbly up.